friends, so here today we are with the new topic, new tense for passive, which is present perfect. Now this is one of the tenses which helps you to convey many type of ideas, different ideas in your essay as well as in speaking of IELTS. So let us understand this so that we can correctly implement this tense in passive form. So let us revise the structure of passive. You can pause the video and try by yourself writing the structure of passive. Okay, so now we know that passive starts with object. So hence we have object in the beginning, then it is followed by be form, then verb third form, by, and the subject. Did you get it right? Okay, let's move forward. Now I have written two sentences and I would like you guys to convert both these sentences into passive. Would you like to try it by yourself once if you already know or would like to take a chance? Then sure, pause the video, write down the sentences in the passive and come back. Okay, so in the first sentence, what all things are we having? So my neighbors, now my neighbors is the subject. Have organized is my verb. What have they organized? Have they organized event or have they organized a stall? Yes, they have organized a cultural stall. And so this becomes my object. Now let's try to make this sentence into passive. So I'll have my object first. So a cultural stall. Now I would need, what do I have? I have and organize. Now this is stall, cultural stall, which is singular. So should I put have here or has? Yes, I have to put has over here. So has organized by. So a cultural stall has, there has to be something there, some word there in the blank, and we have organized. Then we have by my neighbors. In that event. Okay guys, so what are we supposed to put in that blank? Any guesses? Yes, we will give a call to the third form of be, and so we'll have been. So now you see the sentence. It looks like a cultural stall has been organized by my neighbors in that event. So whenever you are converting a present perfect sentence, present perfect active into passive, make sure that you don't forget the third form of be after have or has. Let's check the second one. Friends have arranged the furniture. So how will this be? So this is my subject, this is my verb, and the furniture is my object. So till now you might have gotten quite confident in converting different active sentences into passive. So let's try this one. The furniture then, as the furniture is here singular, we'll be using has. Now we all know that it is been. Then we have arranged. by friends. And if I want to here omit my subject, I can just say the furniture has been arranged. That's it. Many a times when we receive some parcel or some gifts, so what do we say? The parcel has been arrived, or the parcel has been delivered. Many a times we use this tense in our daily routine, and we use the passive form of it. For example, when we want to say that if the parcel is already there, so we do say that the parcel has been delivered. So these are the situations where we use the passive form of present perfect, and that is completely correct. But while we are writing or we are delivering our answers in speaking, we tend to make errors. But after solving this, I am very much sure that you have received the complete understanding and logic behind using this tense and how it is used or converted into passive.